Index. Manipulation of the last page. 12.1, change the text index to 16. Use last page, manipulation of the last page. You scroll down. Last page index, it says highlight the text index. You change the font size to 16. Capital letter shift plus F3 or home AA, capital letters, and then bold Control B, centered Control E, or home, center, insert text borders around the text, marking to margin, and apply a light gray shading. Home, go to home, and then borders and shading down there, and then borders box, apply to paragraph, and the shade, apply light gray shade. To apply a shade, you go to home, and this icon, you see shading, and then the color, Amazing Grace, and then leave 2 line spaces after heading index, and generate index with words below. Index with words below. Do not include references to the table of contents. Use only what? Use only main entries. Use only main entries. Wires light to cables. All right. Before you generate index, page numbers, you must know where to find, for example, light. Know where, on which page is transmission, where to find optical fiber, distance, and so forth. All right. You go to home. You see find. Home find, and then you type the first word is light. You set the text light. You see, light is highlighted, is on page 10. So you write 10 on top of, you write 10 on top of the word. You write 10 there. If it's 12, 12. If it's 13, 13. 15, 15. And then, okay, light, pages. You see, light is on page 10. You see, light is on page 10. All right, it's fine. You do that. The next one is transmission. Transmission pages. You see, transmission is on page 14. You see, it's on page 14. So you write 14 on top of the word. Okay, let's do it. To generate index, you go to reference, mark entry. You see, use main entries only. Remember the instruction. Main entry is light. You insert the text, you type light, main entry only, and then current page. It can't be current page for everything. Okay, You click on cross reference, and then you see backspace, remove the text, and then you insert the page number. You have page numbers already. I told you to write a page number on top of each word. Let me say it's page 10. I'm just improvising. 10, mark, close. Mark, close. Enter, and then back to reference. Back to references. You click on mark entry. The next word is transmission. You insert the text transmission. Transmission. And then on which page? Let me say cross reference, backspace. Let me say it's page 12. You have correct page numbers. Let me say it's page 12. Mark, close. You do the same. Enter. That number 3 is optic fiber. Okay, you go back to references. You do the same. Generate. To generate the index, put cursor next to the first entry. You go to references, and then you see insert table, insert index. You see insert index. You click on insert index, and then instruction number 12.3, page numbers must be right aligned. Right align, a tick, page numbers, and then tape leader lines. Tape leader lines, and then use 2 columns. Columns 2, and then okay. Amazing Grace is done. Perfect. Look now, the entries do not appear on the printout. For example, go to the preview, print preview, to be sure, file, print preview. You see, that's index. Amazing Grace. All the best.